what significates personal narrative? Well, a personal narrative is a piece of writing that describes the individual experience from the writer's own perspective. This is very important because it provides insights on the thoughts regarding the emotions and also the reactions from a very individual and personal point of view, namely from the writer's view. This helps to connect with the others. So in the case of writing with the audience, with the reader, and there are also some key components that a personal narrative contains. Namely, it is written from the first person perspective. Then it is also chronologically ordered. So if the reader tells a story, then the order of the events is chronologically, and it also has a character development. It provides conflict and resolution, and it also contains a reflective conclusion. This is very short what personal narrative means. If you want to have more insights and in-depth knowledge, then please go to the article from the dictionary. I leave the link in the description of the video and check out the resources that we provide for MyThesis Academy, like the virtual campus that helps you to write your thesis best accompanied and step by step.